Hey, this is Lewis from SoFly, and you're watching the video series on designing complete websites with Oxygen. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a section for our icon boxes. So we'll add a section. We want everything in the section to be centered. Add padding of 75 pixels on both sides. Drop in a heading. We'll make this 36 pixels, 300 weight, about 70% transparent. And we'll put 12 pixels of bottom margin, duplicate that, and shrink it to make our subheading and make it a little bit lighter. 56 is pretty good. And then we'll go ahead and put 50 pixels of padding or margin below this. And now we're going to add our icon boxes. So I'm going to put all the boxes in a div. So I'll add a div here, and then our icon boxes are going to go inside of this. So I'll add another div, and this is going to be our actual icon box. I'm going to add a class. We're going to call it Awesome Icon Box, and it's going to float left and be 33.33%, 1/3 wide. And then we're just going to duplicate this across for all of our icon boxes. So in here, I'm going to add an icon. And we'll add a class to this. We'll call it my awesome icon. And then I'm going to add a heading. We'll call it icon box heading. And some body text. My icon box text. And now we can just style all these classes. So first thing I'm going to do is just duplicate this a bunch of times. And then we will go ahead and style the classes. So first we're going to put some padding on the icon box. So 25 pixels on all sides. Then we'll make the icons 48 pixels. We're going to use the same green. So I'll just click this button, copy and paste the green background color, and paste that in here. We want this to be centered, which means we need to make an inline block. Then for the heading, we are going to put some spacing, say 16 pixels on either side. I'll change the font weight to 300, size to 22, looks pretty good. Let's make this 0.6 with the transparency. And then for the body text, I'll use 15 pixels, and we'll go with 70% transparent. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now we just have to fill this out with different icons and different text. Okay, so here are our icon boxes. One thing I'm going to do to make them look a little bit better is add some line spacing to the text here. There's line height, so let's see. 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, that looks a little better. Okay, cool. Here are our icon boxes. Now I'm going to make them responsive in this video because it's very easy. So all we want to do on smaller screen sizes, say less than 992, they still fit. If we go down to 768, it starts to get a little iffy. So what we're going to do on less than 768 is just make these things, actually on less than 992, we'll make them 50% width. And then on less than 7068, we will make them 100% width. But we will add, 100% width doesn't look great, does it? So we'll make these 50% width on less than 768 as well. And then on less than 480, we'll go with 100% width. Okay, there we go. Now we've got responsive icon boxes. Okay, in part 4 of the video, I'll show you how to do the next section.